Okay, so this is a quick little update on the machine. She's alive. I can get it to work. I still gotta do a lot of work on it, but let's turn it on. So let's go home. I got a touch plate working. Let me go to the center of the machine. I got the simple touch plate. I have this other CNC, and I already had it, so I just made it work with this one. So let's see. If I go here and I run my code, technically it thinks it is now at position, get position. What is it? It thinks that it's at 19.5. So if I actually go ahead and do 7 here, Z minus 19.5, and I were to run it, it is zeroed out. So this whole bed is not leveled. I just found that out today. It's about 1.5 millimeters higher on this end than it is on this end, and it's about 2 millimeters in this corner, and the whole thing is all messed up. So fun, but it's getting there.